I've worked for United for 34 years. Currently, my job is an inspection supervisor. As an inspector, you inspect the maintenance that's being performed on the aircraft. I inspect when they do an engine change. I have to check to make sure that it was installed by the paperwork, that every step was followed correctly. Anybody who's good with their hands and has a good technical understanding, if you can make a cake from a recipe, you would actually really be good out here because you can follow instructions. This job really entails following instructions. The opportunities here are endless. When you have an A&P and you walk in the door, you could do anything from being an aircraft mechanic all the way up to planning or engineering. This is not just a job. This is a great career.